Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, আজিৰ যোনটো টপিক হয় continuity and differentiability, one of the most important chapter, and ইয়াৰ পৰা calculusৰ starting হ'ব. Actually, we get a very small segment in the name of limits and derivatives in first year. Okay, so along with those concepts, we will try to understand what is continuity and differentiability, and then we will move on to the other parts of calculus. So first thing which we should know is continuity. What is continuity of a function, and then slowly we will move ahead. Okay, so continuity মানে কি হয় actually যে function এটা কেতিয়া continuous হয়. What happens when a function is continuous? What are we supposed to do? আমি কি কৰিম এটা ফাংচন যেনিবা কন্টিনিউয়াস বুলি কৈ দিলোঁ. Okay, sorry, suppose এটা ফাংচন মই কৈ দিলোঁ যে ফাংচন এটা কন্টিনিউয়াস হয়. What does it mean actually? So we will study about these things. Okay, so suppose মই এটা example লৈছোঁ. Let's say fx is equal to 1 for x less than equal to 0, and it's 2 for x greater than 0. আমি এটা ফাংচন লৈছোঁ. ফাংচনটো কেনেকৈ ডিফাইন কৰিছোঁ? fx is equal to 1 when x is less than equal to 0, and fx is equal to 2 when x is greater than 0. ইয়াৰ যদি মই গ্ৰাফটো ড্ৰ কৰোঁ কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? Let's say this is our y axis, and let's say this is our x axis, x dash y dash. So x less than 0 মানে x less than equal to 0, 0 or 0 left out. Functional value to কিমান হ'ব? 1. Let's say this is 1, and let's say this is 2. তো 0 কিমান হ'ব functional value to? 1. 0 কে সৰু যদি হয় value to কিমান হ'ব? 1. Then if you take some other values also less than 0, the function will become, the value of the function will always be 1. This is a constant function, right? So your graph to কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? It will go like this, correct? And now if x is greater than 0, then the value of the function will be 2. X is greater than 0 মানে 0 right side of কি হ'ব? আমি 2 এটা not দিম কিয়? x equal to 0 2 নহয়, x equal to 0 কিমান হয়? 1. But anything which is greater than 0, like for x greater than 0, the value of the function will be 2. So আমি 0 কি দিম? not দিম, but then anything which is greater than 0, the value of the function will be 2. Okay, so আমি ইয়াত কি ক'ব পাৰোঁ যে this function is what? Discontinuous. হয়নে? আমি চাই ক'ব পাৰিম যে ফাংচনটো ডিছকণ্টিনিউৱাছ আছে. ক'ত ডিছকণ্টিনিউৱাছ হৈ আছে? 0. অ'কে, জেনেৰেলি এটা ডেফিনেশ্যন দিয়া হয়, ইট ইজ নট এ ডেফিনেশ্যন, বাট এনেই জাষ্ট কোৱা হয় যে যিকোনো এটা গ্ৰাফ আকোঁতে যদি আমি পেপাৰৰ ছাৰ্ফেচৰ পৰা পেনটো নুঠোৱাকৈ আমি গ্ৰাফটো ড্ৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ, দেন দ্য ফাংচন ইজ কনচিডাৰ্ড টু বি কণ্টিনিউৱাছ, ৰাইট? Like if you can draw the graph of any function without lifting your hand or without lifting the pen from the surface of the paper where you are drawing, then the function is considered to be continuous. Okay, that is not a mathematical definition. First of all, that is not a mathematical definition. It is just any eta, like this is a way to understand it. Okay, so yat ma ki koru, yat akim, then we have to move to this part, right? So the function clearly is discontinuous at x equal to 0, but that is not how you are supposed to write in your exam, that I have drawn this curve without lifting my hand, so this function is discontinuous. No, you cannot do that. Okay, so আমি কি কৰোঁ? We need to show. Okay, so to show this আমি first year পঢ়িছিলোঁ কি? left hand limit, right hand limit. So if we take the left hand limit of the function, মানে আমি left hand limit LHL, then RHL, right hand limit এইবোৰ লিখিছিলোঁ. Now we are grown up, don't use these terms. Okay, instead of left hand limit, what we will write? Limit x tends to 0 negative. 0 negative mane and a value which is less than 0, just less than 0. Okay, so limit x tends to fx, limit x tends to 0 negative fx kiman hobo, limit x tends to 0 negative, so fx or value 0 ke horu hole kiman hoy, so it becomes 1, which will give us 1. And if we take the right hand limit, limit x tends to 0 positive fx, eto kiman hobo, limit x tends to 0 positive hole fx or value kiman hoy, 2, so it will give us 2. So you can see that the left hand limit and the right hand limit both are unequal. Yat left hand limit kiman pai asu ami 1 and right hand limit kiman pai asu ami 2. So we can clearly say that the left hand limit and right hand limit of the function is both are unequal. Okay, like left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, so the function is discontinuous. Okay, now if we take another example, fx is equal to, let's say 1 when x is not equal to 0 and 0 when x is equal to 0. Okay, now ইয়াৰ যদি আমি গ্ৰাফটো ড্ৰ কৰোঁ কেনেকুৱা হ'ব, to x axis x o x dash, y o y dash. So when x is equal to 0, value of the function will be 0. Let's say this is 1. Now x not equal to 0, x not equal to 0 mane it can be either positive or it can be either negative. So in both the cases the value of the function kiman hobo, 1 e hobo. So tumi 0 right side ot gole y value kiman paba, 1, yat gole 1 paba. If you take any other values you will get 1. If you take negative values then also the function will give you 1. Here also you will get the function value of the function to be 1. Correct. So 0 th ami ki dim, not eta dim, because 0 th 1 nohoy, but apart from 0 for any other value of x the value of the function will always be 1. Now yat saba ki hai, now if we try to find out the value left hand limit x tends to 0 negative fx. 0 negative means less than 0, which is not equal to 0, so the value of the function will be obviously 1. And if we try to write x tends to 0 positive fx, 0 positive is greater than 0, which is again not equal to 0, hai na. 0 positive mane 0 ke dangor, but 0 to nohoy, so tatu value of the function will be what, 1. Here left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, but then we can clearly say that sir you cannot draw this graph without lifting the pen. Correct. And ami dekhiye, like you can see na that this function is discontinuous. So continuous hobo karone ami okol left hand limit ba right hand limit uliale nohobo. For a function to be continuous at any particular point, remember this. Okay, at any particular point if a function is continuous, then the left hand limit of the function at that particular point, the right hand limit of the function at that particular point, both must be equal and both should be equal to the value of the function at that particular point. মানে মই কি ক'ব বিচাৰিছো, ইয়াত সাপোজ মই এতিয়া f of 0 উলিয়াও, f of 0 উলিয়ালে কিমান হ'ব, it will give us 0. Now see, left hand limit and right hand limit are equal at x equal to 0, হয়নে. 0 left hand limit আমি কিমান পাই আছো, 1, right hand limit আমি কিমান পাই আছো, 1, but at 0 we are getting a different value which is 0. So for a function to be continuous at a particular point, let's say a particular point c, at any particular point c which is a real number. Okay, so at any particular point c if a function is continuous, then limit x tends to c negative fx, that is value of the function, left hand limit of the function, it should be equal to the right hand limit of the function, that is c positive, and both should be equal to the value of the function at that particular point which is fc. Okay, so this is the main condition. if you can show that all these three values are equal, then only you can claim that the function is continuous at that particular point. Always remember the function to ami jikono eta particular point ot hai continuous to show koribo parim eneke. Okay, so like throughout its domain tumi kobo nwariba, you cannot just use this like for all the values of x, like at any particular value of x, at any particular value of x or jodi left hand limit or right hand limit value duta same pai aisa, and then at x equal to that value, okay, also you are getting the same value, then only you can say that the function is continuous. Otherwise you cannot say that the function is continuous. You can pause the video to note it down. Okay, এতিয়া আমি কিছুমান এনে example চাম, questions will try to solve some questions. Okay, and এতিয়ালৈকে suppose like আগৰ সেকশনটোত আমাৰ 50% এটা idea আহি গৈছে ন, যে when can we say that a function is continuous. So we will try to clear all our doubts by solving a few numericals. Okay, numerical বোৰ চালে কি হ'ব আৰু ভালকে ক্লিয়াৰ হৈ যাব. So question number 6 from your exercise 5.1. Question to ki goise, find all points of discontinuity of the function fx is equal to 2x plus 3 when x is less than equal to 2 and twice x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. Okay, so eto amar function to diya ase and the question is find all points of discontinuity. So ইয়াত আমি এতিয়া আমি আইডিয়া নাই যে আমি কোড চেক কৰিম, আমি কেনেকৈ চেক কৰিম, like where to check the continuity of the function. But as you can see, this is a linear function, both of them are linear function. So question teneke mention kori dia na thake, like teneke mention kori dia na thakibo pare sage. Okay, like in most of the cases they will ask you questions like this. They will not mention any particular point where you need to find that point of discontinuity or point of continuity. Okay, so directly go find all the points of discontinuity, but here we have to closely see that these two functions are linear function, রৈখিক সমীকরণ হয় দুইটাই, correct, and we know that each and every linear equation represents a straight line. For values of x equal to 2 or less than 2, equal to 2 or less than 2, it will be a straight line, and straight line are always continuous. And for values greater than 2, it will also represented by a straight line, and straight line ki hai continuous hoy. So amak code check koribo lagibo at x equal to 2, because at x equal to 2 they are showing two different equations of straight lines. So ami sam je 2 amar actually point of discontinuity thakibou pare. Okay, so like there is a chance that ami point of discontinuity ba continuity ami sage x equal to 2 পাম. So 2 যদি মই লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট তো কি হ'ব, লিমিট x tends to 2 negative fx, 2 negative fx মানে less than 2. So function to কোনটো হ'ব, লিমিট x tends to 2 negative, function to কোনটো হ'ব আমাৰ fx ৰ ঠাইত আমি কি লিখিব পাৰিম, twice x plus 3, correct. So the value of the function will be what, limit h tends to 0 2 into x or theta আমি কি লিখিম 2 minus h plus 3. So it will become how much, 0 plus 3, which will give us 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Okay, left hand limit right hand limit keneke uliya, if you want to know you can like refer to my earlier videos also. So left hand limit ki hai 2 negative, 2 negative mane ki 2 ke horu, so it will be 2 minus h, where h is a very small quantity. Okay, or directly you can write 2 into 2 plus 3, but this is the most appropriate way to follow, so my enake use koro. Okay, in most of the cases I will try to use this kind of things. Okay, and then we'll try to find out the right hand limit, limit x tends to 2 positive fx, 2 positive fx মানে 2 কে ডাঙৰ হলে function to কোনটো হ'ব, 2 positive, it will be twice x minus 3, correct. 2 positive মানে 2 কে ডাঙৰ, so it will be limit h tends to 0 2 into x or ঠাইত কি লিখিম 2 plus h, a value which is greater than 2 but just greater than 2. তো আমি যদি ভ্যালু এটা just greater than 2 লিখো তো 2 plus h where h tends to 0 which means h is a very smaller quantity. It's so small that we can consider it to be 0. Okay, so etu tumalok jodi like if you face problem, if you do not know how to find out the left hand limit and right hand limit, then you can simply put x equal to 2 here. Okay, এইবোৰ ইজি কেছত লাইক এনেকৈ হৈ যায়, বাট কিছুমান কেছেছ আছে য'ত আমি এপ্ৰপ্ৰিয়েট ৱে অফ এক্সপ্ৰেছনছবোৰ ইউজ কৰিবলগীয়া হয়. চ' আই উড লাইক টু ছাজেষ্ট ইউ টু প্ৰিফাৰ দিছ কাইণ্ড অফ থিংছ. অ'কে, ডোণ্ট গো ফৰ শ্বৰ্টকাটছ. So 2 to the 4 minus 3 it will become 1. So you can clearly say that left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Okay, and যদি left hand limit not equal to right hand limit হয় তেনেহ'লে at x equal to 2 ফাংচনটো কি ভ্যালু দি আছে that is not important because left hand limit আৰু right hand limit equal নহয়. So next ভ্যালুটো উলিয়াই একো লাভ নহ'ব. So right away we can say that since limit x tends to 2 negative fx not equal to limit x tends to 2 positive fx, so the function, therefore the given function is discontinuous at x equal to 2. You can pause the video to note it down. Okay, now so junto our function asile ki dia asile fx is equal to twice x plus 3 twice x minus 3 twice x plus 3 when x is less than equal to 2 and twice x minus 3 when x is greater than 2. So this is not a part of your syllabus like this, but eto bostu moi kyo hikai asu just to have a graphical knowledge about continuity of a function. Okay, je continuity exist for a graphically, it can be shown also. Okay, and it was just all mathematically you will prove it. No, it exists, like you can see those things. Okay, calculus is a very beautiful thing. You can see every part of calculus through graphs. Okay, so let's see. So function দুটা পার্টত ভাগ কৰা আছে কি fx is equal to twice x plus 3 when x is less than 2. So less than 2 value মই লৈছো 0 and -1. অকল দুটা ভ্যালু লৈছো because only 2 points are required to draw a straight line. So 2 points are sufficient enough. And again fx is equal to twice x minus 3 which is for x greater than 2. This is for x greater than 2 and this is for x less than equal to 2. Correct? So যদি মই গ্রাফটো ড্র কৰো, you can see x greater than 2 কাৰণে মই কি ভ্যালু লৈছো 3 আৰু 4. So x equal to 3 y ভ্যালুটো কিমান হ'ব, ইয়াত যদি মই 3 বহাও 3 to the 6 minus 3 it will give us 3, আৰু x ৰ ঠাইত যদি মই 4 বহাও তেনেহলে কিমান হ'ব 4 to the 8 minus 3 it will give us 5. So the points are this is one point and this is another point. At x equal to 4 the value of the function will be this. Correct? At x equal to 4 the value of the function will be 5. See, to graphically man possible nohoy because I have taken this rough values. Okay, they are not equal, so just roughly I am trying to show you. Now a value which is less than 2, a value which is less than 2. So at x equal to 2 value to kiman hobo, jodi moi x equal to 2 bahao then value of the function will be 2 to the 4 plus 3 which will be 7. It will be somewhere around here. Yat kobat thakibo hai na, 7 to kot hobo ma yat kobat hobo 5, let's say 6, let's say 7. Okay, and just greater than 2, let's say 2.1, let's say x equal to 2.1. So the value of the function will be, ইয়াত যদি মই 2.1 বহাও কিমান হ'ব 2 into 2.1 minus 3 which will give us 4.2 minus 3, it will be around 1.2. It will be around somewhere around 1.2, like let's say here. Okay, so the graph of the function will look like this. For x greater than 2 it will be a straight line like this. Correct? Now let's move on to the other equation. ইয়াত কি দি আছে twice x plus 3, যেতিয়া x ৰ ভ্যালু আমি 0 লৈছো কিমান আছিল 3, তো x equal to 0 হলে ভ্যালু কিমান হ'ব 3 and when x is equal to minus 1 the value of the function is plus 1 like here. So function value to কেনেকুৱা হ'ব like this, then it will be a straight line. Okay, so this is the graph. We cannot put this mark, it will have to stop here only. Okay, this part is not included, so it will look like this. So ইয়াত আমি কি ক'ব পাৰিম যে for any value which is less than 2, for any value of x which is less than 2, it represents a straight line and it will always be continuous. তুমি x or g value লোৱা 2 কে সৰু যিমান value ল'বা, it will always represent a straight line which is continuous. Correct? And for any value which is greater than 2, it will also represent a straight line which will thoroughly be, but it will be a straight line, it will always be continuous for any value of x which is greater than 2. So this is how you can graphically represent or graphically show that a function is discontinuous at any particular point. Okay, you can pause the video and note everything down. Okay, okay, since we have a very clear idea about the continuity of a function, so we will try to solve some numericals. Okay, some tough numericals from your exercise. They are not tough actually, they are very easy, just you might find it very hard to represent it. Okay, যদি তোমালোক লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট আৰু ৰাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট উলিয়াব নাজানা ভালকে, দেন ইউ মাইট ফেচ সাম প্ৰব্লেম, বাট দেন মই অলৰেডি শিকাই থৈছোঁ বস্তুবোৰ ক্লাছ 11ত, যেনেকৈ কেনেকৈ লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট আৰু ৰাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট উলিয়াব লাগে মডুলাছ ফাংচনৰ, গ্ৰেটেষ্ট ইণ্টিজাৰ ফাংচনৰ, ঠিক আছে. ইফ ইউ হেভ ফৰগটেন দোজ ইউ কেন জাষ্ট see my earlier videos. I have those things, if you want I can send it to you. Okay, okay, then let's move ahead. So question number 7, function दिया से fx is equal to modulus of x plus 3 if x is less than equal to minus 3. It will be twice x if its value lies between minus 3 and 3. Why I am saying between? Because yat ki strictly less than दिया है ना, strictly greater than and strictly less than use কৰা আছে. X is strictly greater than minus 3 but strictly less than 3, so minus 3 or 3 আমি ল'ব নোৱাৰিম, so it will lie in between them. And again if x is greater than equal to 3. Okay, so modulus function or jonto definition jano ami, I will try to recall it. Okay, again ami ki jano je modulus of x will be x if x is less than equal to greater than equal to 0, and it will be minus x if x is less than 0. Correct? So find all the points of discontinuity here. You need to find all the points of discontinuity here. So it is the point of discontinuity uliabo jao. So first I have to go through the definition of the function je moi kot uliabo lagibo. So tumalok boundary conditions bur soa, yat ki dia ase minus 3 left of dia ase. You have a knowledge of the function for the values of x which is less than minus 3, which are less than minus 3. If like for values of x less than minus 3 ki hoy ase, fx is showing a particular function. Correct? Then minus 3 right side or knowledge ase, then 3 left side or knowledge ase, then 3 right side or knowledge ase. Baki eneko eko point nai jot left hand limit ba right hand limit ami teneke uliabo parim. Okay, so clearly we have to find the continuity of the function at x equal to minus 3 and at x equal to plus 3. These two are the values where you need to check the continuity of the function. Minus 3 horu value loi lab nai, because it will show a straight line. Correct? And it will always be continuous. Then 3 right side loi lab nai, anything which is any value of x which is greater than 3, it will show a particular straight line, 6x plus 2 y equal to mx plus 3 form of the ase. So it will represent a straight line and they will obviously be continuous. Okay, now here we are we have to see whether at x equal to minus 3 the function is continuous or not, or at x equal to plus 3. So first I mean x equal to minus 3 to check with some. So limit x tends to -3 নেগেটিভ এফএক্স -3 নেগেটিভ এফএক্স হলে কি হ'ব 3তকৈ সৰু 3তকৈ সৰু হ'লে ফাংচন কোনটো দিয়া আছে আমাৰ মডুলাছ অফ x প্লাছ 3 correct. Now you can see modulus of x plus 3. What I am supposed to write here, a limit x tends to -3 negative, I will write here minus x plus 3, correct. I have to write here minus x plus 3 because the value of x is negative here. -3 ke horu, then it will be more again a negative value. Okay, it will be a negative value, and for negative value of x, modulus of x is always minus x. Kyo minus x hoy jate ami x orthat negative value eta jodi bohao, then negative of the negative will give us a positive value. Okay, so this is the only reason why you put the value of x as minus x whenever x is a negative number. Here this is the reason why the definition of the function is like this only. Okay, so now if we try to write limit h tends to 0 minus of x orthat ami ki likhim -3 minus h. Why this? Because -3 negative is ki bujhay, -3 negative mane -3 ke horu value, -3 minus h. Okay, so plus 3, so it will give us minus of -3 minus 0 plus 3, so it will give us how much? 6. Minus of -3 will be 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So left hand limit to ami kiman palo 6. Now try to find out the right hand limit. Right hand limit to kiman ase, limit x tends to -3 positive, -3 ke okkoman holo dangor, like greater than 3, -3. So greater than -3 hole function of value to kuntu hoy, limit x tends to -3 positive, fx to kiman hobo minus twice x. Okay, so what we will write, limit, hey little creature don't disturb me, h tends to 0, yat ki likhim -3 0, and here we will write what, 3 positive, 3 positive mane 0 ke dangor, sorry -3 ke dangor, so it will be -3 plus h, correct, which will again give us what, plus 6. So here ami left hand limit and right hand limit same paisu. Now etia ami samjhe function at x equal to -3 ki hobo, at x equal to -3 mane f of -3, f of -3 ki hobo ami sam etia. Okay, so x equal to -3 ki dia ase, whenever x is equal to 3, -3, the value of the function is modulus of x plus 3, so it will be what, modulus of -3 plus 3, which will give us again 6. So what I am supposed to write, since limit x tends to -3 negative fx is equal to limit x tends to -3 positive fx is equal to f of -3, therefore the function is continuous at x equal to -3. Okay, so this is what you should know. This is how you show that a function is continuous at any particular point or not. Okay, so ইয়াৰ পিছত আমি চাম যে x equal to 3 কি হৈ আছে. Okay, you can pause the video and note it down, and then we will show what happens to the function, the continuity of the function actually at x equal to plus 3. Okay, okay, so এতিয়া আমি চাম x equal to plus 3. So if I try to find out the left hand limit first, x tends to 3 negative fx, 3 negative fx means less than 3, so less than 3 hole function of value ami kiman lom, twice x, correct. X tends to 3 negative, the value of the fx will be twice x, and how we are supposed to write, h tends to 0, 3 minus h, correct, because 3 negative means less than 3, so etu kiman hoy jabo, minus twice 3 minus 0, which will give us -6, correct. It's easy. Now if we try to find the value of the right hand limit, then 3 positive fx, 3 positive fx means greater than 3, greater than 3 hole ki hobo function to, jeta greater than 3 hoy kiman hoy, 6x plus 2. So what we are supposed to take fx, we should consider fx as 6x plus 2 करेक्ट 3 पॉजिटिव माने की है 3 पॉजिटिव माने 3 के डांगर सो लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0 3 plus h plus 2 so it will give us how much 6 into 3 plus 0 plus 2 so it will give us 6 3 is 18 plus 2 20 clearly we can see that left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit hence the function is discontinuous you do not have to show ki x equal to 3 ki hobo okay you do not have to show the function of value to x equal to 3 ki hobo because left hand limit or right hand limit equal howa nai so x equal to 3 কিবা এটা ভ্যালু মানে তোমালোক যে দেখাবা হেতু the question does not arise okay so right away you can say that since left hand limit since limit x don't write LHL RHL okay that is a below standard way of doing numericals okay don't use those things okay those are rubbish things so simply write limit since limit x tends to 3 negative fx not equal to limit x tends to 3 positive fx therefore the function is discontinuous at x equal to 3 that's it simple okay you can pause the video to note it down okay then I hope the concepts are clear so বুঝি পাইছে চাগে it's very easy to show a function whether it is continuous or discontinuous at any particular point তোমালোকক অকল এটা বস্তুত কনসেন্ট্ৰেট কৰিব লাগিব যে how to find out the left hand limit and right hand limit of any particular functions do not use any shortcut methods okay try to follow the basic way of representing each and everything and then তোমালোক এক্সাৰসাইজৰ নিউমেৰিকেলবোৰ প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰি চাব পাৰা okay those are very easy numericals if you want my help I will drop my WhatsApp number on the description you can simply ping me on WhatsApp like question local question to click on pothai dile hol I will try to make a video of those questions okay I will collect a few questions and then I will try to put them in a video and post it for you guys okay thank you this much for today